Good morning from Isolation Lake. Beautiful morning. It dumped rain last night. We had lightning, thunder. We had about 4 mountain goats with a baby run through our camp. And the mosquitoes are full in effect here. They're swarming. So we're up on the toilet ledge, as we're calling it. Try to get to Viviane a little bit early. It's probably a 1.5 mile hike down, maybe 2. But we want to get in lunchtime-ish and hang out and enjoy the lake. Tonight will be our last night in the core, and then we drop down into the Snow Lakes core. So, gonna enjoy our day. Looks like a beautiful day. Natasha's getting our food bags down. And we are laughing about my hair, which I'll show you later. This morning we are eating in the tent because the mosquitoes are atrocious this morning. We have sausage and grits and a mocha. So this is my hair. I wet it yesterday and went back like this, and now it won't lay down. So getting made fun of this morning. Finished breakfast in the tent. We're comparing scrapes and bruises after a couple days on the trail. Look at this. Some owies. All right, we're packed up except for the tent, and we're still got a reflection lake here pretty much. This is jaw-dropping gorgeous. All right, 9:25. We are out of camp, heading downhill to Perfection Lake. Came running at us.
All right, we'll leave you alone.
Have a nice breakfast. We're just talking. We got dirt trail, so we're like, this is how we envisioned the trail. We knew there were some boulders and some rock. That's that ledge we were on yesterday where the guys camped. All right, so we're on this other portion of the lake here. It's beautiful. The trail goes that way.
Man, look at this water. Look at all these fish.
We cross this stream here, the outlet. We're gonna drop our packs and have a snack. Man, this is gorgeous. I don't want to leave here. Here, having a new one, get some electrolytes in us. We're both feeling pretty dehydrated. It's a beautiful spot. And I don't want to leave. We'll edit that out. This toilet's like way up here. So we gotta get up this. This is the view from the toilet. It's like we're starting to get into the lower core. I think that's Leprechaun Lake right there. Goodbye, Perfection Lake. It's been a beautiful stay, and we're heading down to a very nice meadow area. Both of us feel better after hydrating up. Down, you gotta go over these big rocks, see a bunch of cairns, poles. Yeah, this is what we just came down. That waterfall. Alright, we made it back down to dirt. What we just came down is going to be more like getting down to the Snow Lakes from Viviane tomorrow, but steeper. The lake outlet here. This is gorgeous. Check this out.
Yep.
down low, Leprechaun Lake down there. Oh my God, this is just gorgeous. We're just coming like every 10 feet. We're stopping to take pictures. Views of Leprechaun Lake. It's the trail we're on. It's kind of like high desert up here. We got to boulder over this to get around. Just had to butt slide boulder, jump, and cuss the whole way down that freaking little mess. Yeah, it was pretty sketchy. So, all right, here's Leprechaun's outlet, heading down to Viviane.
Looks like we go.
There's Lake Viviane. That's home for tonight. That's Persic. It's right above Viviane.
We just came up this mofo. Rhonda's still coming down. Yeah, this hike is not very easy. It's a doozy.
We came down from the post on the flat overlooking here. We saw some cairns. We're like, where's this go? So I had seen in some of the YouTube videos there were these rebar steps, and I was actually very anxious over those. I thought they were tomorrow. Well, they happened today. There's handholds, and we got down safely. Whew. 10 o'clock, we're just following the cairns up and over these rocks, admiring the upper snow lake below. We're ready for lunch. Upper snow lake. I think this is the outlet falls. And it goes way down there. Lunch is tuna fish with some chips. Trying to get in the shade. This is pretty wide open. And our dogs, and I need to get cleaned up and get my knees in here and probably feel better. This cold water. This is a view from our campsite. Setting up the tent right here on the beach. So this will be our view. Natasha found this little contraption to blow up the pads. Pretty super quick. On the air inlet, hit the motor. On the valve. And it'll blow this thing right up. Pretty cool. A little loud, a little obnoxious, but it works. Yeah, we're just getting ready to make dinner. Here, let me show you. Like veggie beef. Peel off rice, something like that. So got the water boiling. We're enjoying the view. Incredible here. Enjoying every minute of it. All right, reflections of the day. Probably thought this day was going to be easier than it turned out to be. We get over this way and you had to hop up on this boulder to get around, and I struggled with that. People behind came and pushed me up. I don't know, I'm pretty proud of us. Plan for tomorrow, we want to get up and catch the sunrise. We're going to try to get out of here pretty early. It's supposed to be hot again tomorrow. It was a great day hiking. It was a hard day hiking, challenging segment. Persevered and got through it, or as one of the day hikers told me, we'll finish the enchantments and not the other way around. We're looking at this up here. Man, when that falls, it's going to make a big splash. Barbie.
Brook.
Brook? Barbies?
Brook trout.
Brook trout. Not Barbies.
Barbies.